You finally did it! You're so excited! You went online and you bought merch from some of your favorite people, and it's finally arrived! Oh my god, so excited! Let's see what we got. I have the bandana in white for my hair. I got the fanny pack for when I go to the beach. And somehow I managed to order this shirt 2 sizes too big. That's okay, I'll just use it as a night shirt. Ooh, look at the details. And right before I tossed out the packaging, I noticed something on it. That's pretty cool. I like to recycle, so I don't want to toss that out. So I'm thinking, I can use that for my inspiration wall.
Alright, let's see if we can turn this piece of plastic into something for our art wall, because we certainly don't have regrets about what we bought. The fact that the t-shirt's too big for us to really wear out in public, we don't feel comfortable enough to alter its sewing. The bandana is made out of a stretchy material, therefore we can't use it like a hairband like we intended. And the fanny pack is useless for walking on the beach with, because I can't walk on the beach because I have a workplace injury that doesn't allow me to walk for more than 5 minutes without pain! And now that we're currently out of work, we don't know when we're going to go back to work, or if we're going to go back to work, or if we can go back to work, or if we're going to find another job, and we don't know what we're doing for the future. We're kind of panicking about that, because we really should save that money to do something important, like pay bills!
I'm fine. A few things you're gonna need is a hot glue gun, X-Acto blade, yarn, string, or human hair, I really don't care, just something to hang it up with, and cardboard. Or you could just, toss this in a picture frame you already have. I mean, that doesn't look bad. I do kind of like that black, white, and gold, but no, I have another purpose for the picture frame. Something to measure with. I'm going to use this tiny canvas, which is too small, for my right angle. I'm going to measure the height of my image, then add about as much space as I can. And the way I cut this out is not going to be much. But there's about 1 inch. Grab your cardboard. Draw your 90-degree angle and we'll go from there. Measure your width. Add a bit for the frame. For the life of me, I couldn't find a straight edge in my craft room. Measure out your distance and extend your lines as needed. A tip that Mark will probably enjoy: if you measure opposite corner to opposite corner and opposite corner to opposite corner, and they're exactly the same, you have 90-degree angles. Congratulations, you didn't fuck up. Draw your lines, match them up, and cut them out. I found a larger straight edge to do my cutting with. Grab your X-Acto blade. Be very careful, don't cut yourself. And pop it out. Now you're going to need 2 of these. And take your merch bag, lay it on top, and see what we're dealing with. Remember, we can always make it smaller, but we cannot make it larger. And that's just not enough room to work with, so I have to make this slightly smaller. Much better. I'm going to be doubling this up, so use this one as a pattern to make one more. Perfect. Heat up your glue gun. Now find the center and make a mark on all 4 sides of your cardboard. This will come in very handy in a moment. Trust me. And do the exact same with your bag. Find the center of the top, find the center of the sides, and put a mark. Trust me on this. Now, slap some hot glue on there and glue your boards together. You only got 1 shot at this, so don't fuck it up. Now line up your lines on your merch bag with your cardboard, and that will perfectly center your image. Then you're going to take a dab of glue and you're going to start with the centers of each of those, just where your lines are, And you're going to do the top and the bottom, then the left and the right, and then you're going to check. Continue around your artwork, gluing down carefully because we're using a very hot glue gun. And be careful not to touch the bag to the glue gun itself. I'm using a pair of pliers here, just to pinch and pull as needed, because the glue gun metal tip will melt the plastic, so be very careful not to damage it. I did not have enough plastic here. Voila! Not bad. Now we need to hang it up somehow, right? Alright, flip it back over. Make sure your top is on your top. Grab your string, twine, thread, dental floss, human hair, I don't care. You're gonna glue one side down. I'm gonna take a little piece of cardboard and just press it into the glue to help kind of secure it there. Probably doesn't need it, but we're gonna do it anyway. I tied a knot in the thread, keep it from pulling out the other side. Slap some more glue on there. Another tiny piece of cardboard. Press it down with something besides your fingers. Let it dry. Snip it off. And you're done. Ta-da! Hang it up on your art wall. And enjoy! I have a variety of things on my art wall. Posters, books, t-shirts, calendars, pamphlets, knickknacks. Alright, that's it for this little craft project. Take care, guys. Bye! Memento mori.